Much like demand for mechanical keyboards, adored by typists and gamers for their precision, build quality, and overall value, motorcycle helmets are seeing increased attention from riders who prioritize safety, comfort, and style. This guide evaluates the best motorcycle helmets based on their certifications, materials, fit, list number. Aliexpress Aerodynamic Full-Face Helmet for street and e-bikes. DOT and ECE certified. Enhanced dual visor. Adult size. The Aliexpress Aerodynamic Full-Face Helmet combines advanced safety and sleek design, perfect for street bikes and e-bikes alike. With DOT and ECE certifications, it meets high safety standards while offering an aerodynamic shell that reduces wind resistance. The enhanced dual visor system allows quick switching between clear and tinted visors for changing light conditions. And the ventilation system keeps you cool even during long rides. Its lightweight construction and comfortable padding ensure a snug yet breathable fit. List number. Bell Qualifier Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet, Matte Black, Large. The Bell Qualifier is a trusted choice among riders who want a high-quality, full-face helmet at an affordable price point. Finished in a sleek matte black, it delivers aggressive styling and reliable protection with DOT approval. The padded wind collar minimizes noise while the adjustable ventilation system keeps air flowing. Its lightweight polycarbonate shell and padded interior create a comfortable, secure fit, with features like an anti-fog, scratch-resistant visor, and quick-release shield system. List number. Openface Motorcycle Helmet for Adults. Approved. 3/4 Retro Vespa Helmet. Dual visors, men's and women's motorbike for riders who prefer a classic look with modern features. This DOT-approved open-face motorcycle helmet delivers retro Vespa vibes with contemporary safety. Its 3/4 shell design offers a wide field of vision while still protecting key areas of your head. The dual visors, one clear, one tinted, allow easy adaptation to day or night riding. Lightweight and stylish, this helmet works well for both men and women who want a mix of vintage charm and current safety standards. List number. Obsidian Full-Face Dual Visor Adult Motorcycle Helmet for motorbike, street bike with pinlock ready. The Obsidian Full-Face Helmet stands out for its premium features at an accessible price. Designed with street and sport riders in mind, it boasts a dual visor system and a shell that's pinlock ready for additional anti-fog capabilities. Its aerodynamic shape reduces drag and noise, while the strategically placed vents enhance airflow. Certified for safety. The Obsidian also includes a plush,